the theme of the retail banking conference is retail reset. A retail reset really means let's step back, look at how the retail banking business is doing today in this market. What are the opportunities of growth? Obviously, there is the entire digital space that is coming in. Technology is coming in a big way, right? So we need to look at that. We need to look at, given the business today, what are the opportunities that are still on the table? What are the challenges that we face in being able to, capitalize on those opportunities? Be it people, be it process, be it product, be it digital, be it AI. How do we use all these things, to be able to build this business more effectively for the betterment of the customer, for the betterment of the bank and the shareholder and the employees who work in there, in the industry. So the idea is, the retail reset ka idea ye hai ki let's sit and let's talk about all these things and bring out the opportunities and the challenges, and let's talk about the solutions. And the reason that we're bringing into this conference the digital banks. So two of them, one has been given a pilot and the other has been given a full license. They are going to be part of this, part of the conversations here, part of the panels. We also have, so there's a digital banking panel that we have. There is a retail banking panel. There is the CEO's view. So these are three very critical panels. In addition to this, we have also put a panel of retail outside of banking, because there is so much that retail, for example, how is retail being done in the food industry? How is retail being done in the clothing industry? How do FMCGs go about doing retail business? What is the marketing mindset there? How do they design products? Make it relevant to the customer. How do they then deliver these products to the customer so that the customer gets that wow experience and the right sort of products, right? All of this, we'd like these businesses to come in and talk about it so we can also learn and implement this in the retail banking business as well. Then we have another panel that talks about human resource, so the employee experience and the customer experience, and we mesh that together. The reason for that is that we believe that if you have the right mindset and skill set in your employee base, then you will be able to deliver the right experience for the customer as well. These are not just front-facing employees. These are employees and management sitting at all levels. So back end, so these are operations, risk, compliance, marketing, people sitting in all these areas, their skills and their skills need to be upgraded to be able to bring more value to everyone. And I think that's why we brought both these areas together in one panel. And then we've got one for wealth. In the US, 78 million households invest in the stock market, right? Compared to that, we have a very small number of people investing in stocks and funds in this market. Why is that so, right? Whose job is it to be able to take these products and services to the customer? So wealth is a huge space where we will discuss mutual funds, we will discuss, bonds and stocks, and we want to discuss, insurance as well. And we want to say, okay, how do we take this to more customers and solve their savings problems and protection problems so that their money gets protected now and going forward. So that's another interesting panel that we put in place. So ये हैं 5-6 panels, and we're very carefully selecting and curating these panels with industry experts so that people get to hear and gain from each of these topics.